Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Ma'am, I have posted the homework in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, darling. Fine, fine. I'll see that later.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first question, the shape is a rectangle. Okay, the shape is a rectangle and the length is not known. Length is not known. Breadth is 16 meters. Perimeter is not known. But area is given. Area is 320 square meters. Okay. So children, the shape is a rectangle. And you know, the dimensions of a rectangle are called length and breadth. And then for a rectangle, the length of the boundary is the perimeter. And the area, the space covered by the rectangle is called the area. The space covered by the rectangle is called the area. This is the area. Okay. So first, given area, see, you don't have to, meaning you can answer the, you can fill in the dashes in any order, depending on what can be found first. So we know that length is equal to area by breadth. Correct, children? Length is equal to area divided by breadth. So what is area? 320 divided by breadth 16. So 16 ones are 16 twos are 32. So 20. Or you can do this division. If you're not comfortable with cancelling like this, you can do this division. 320 like the 16 twos are 32. 0 is a remainder. 0 comes down. So 16 zeros are 0. Okay, so 20. So the length of the rectangle is 20 meters. Now the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B units. 2 into L plus B units. So that is 2 into length we just found 20 plus the breadth was already given to us. So 2 into 20 plus 16 is 36 and 2 into 36 is 72 and perimeter is simply expressed in units. So 72 meters. Is the first one fine, children? Have you all got the answer for the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ovia?
Ma'am, I got the same.
Satakshi, did you receive this homework, Satakshi?
No, ma'am.
No problem. Maybe like you started the classes. I think you have attended only one class so far, right? One or two, Satakshi?
One
no
class
problem. Yeah. So maybe this homework was sent before that. You can just take it down so that when you watch the recordings, you know, it will be useful for you. You can take down the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please take down the answer, children. If you have not got it right, please take down the answer. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Is Tanya still sleeping? Good morning, Tanya.
Good morning, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. You got this answer, Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So I think the best thing to do is, because some of you have got the answer while others have not finished, I'll just take a picture and share it on WhatsApp with you. so that you can complete it after the class, because others who have completed have to just wait. So yes, I've captured a picture and I've already put it on WhatsApp. So you can check your answer later, and if needed, you can work it out. Yes, children. So let's move on to the second one then. I'll share the pictures on WhatsApp. You can, if you have not got the right answer, you can then complete it. The second one. So again, here the shape is a rectangle. The shape is a rectangle. Length of the rectangle is given to be 28 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle is given to be, no, it's not given. Perimeter is given to be 70 centimeters, and area is not given. Area not known. All right, we'll have to find the breadth and area here. So we know that whenever perimeter is given, we have to find the semi-perimeter for a rectangle. Okay, so perimeter is equal to 70 centimeters. Semi-perimeter, which is represented by the letter S, semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter divided by 2. Semi-perimeter is equal to perimeter divided by 2. So semi-perimeter is equal to 70 divided by 2. So semi-perimeter is equal to 35 centimeters. Now we know that breadth is equal to semi-perimeter minus length. Breadth is equal to semi-perimeter minus length. First, it's a rectangle. So first, using the perimeter, you need to find the semi-perimeter. So half of the perimeter is 35 centimeters. Now, breadth is equal to, see, breadth is area by length. If you're using area, breadth is equal to area divided by length. But if you're finding breadth using perimeter or semi-perimeter, so breadth is equal to semi-perimeter minus length. There's a difference. It's not semi-perimeter by length. If you're finding the breadth using area, then breadth is equal to area divided by length, or length is equal to area divided by breadth. When we use area, when we have perimeter, then we find semi-perimeter, and breadth is equal to semi-perimeter minus length, or length is equal to semi-perimeter minus breadth. So if perimeter is given, you will have to find the semi-perimeter. It's a rectangle. Perimeter is given, so find the semi-perimeter. And breadth is equal to semi-perimeter minus length. Length is equal to semi-perimeter minus breadth. But if area is given, breadth is area by length, or length is area by breadth. So you can just make a note of this. We've already come across these formulae, but just in case you're confused which one to use where, you can just make a note of this. So when area is given, length is equal to area by breadth, and breadth is equal to area by length. If perimeter is given, you need to find the semi-perimeter. Length is equal to semi-perimeter minus breadth, and breadth is equal to semi-perimeter minus length. Okay, so breadth is equal to semi-perimeter 35 minus the length, which is given as 28. So 35 minus 28 is 7 centimeter. The breadth of the rectangle is 7 centimeters. Now the area. Area is easy, no? Area is equal to L into B square units. Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B square units. L into B square units. All right, so what's the length? 28, and the breadth is 7. So 28 into 7. 7 8 are 56. 5 carried over. 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19. 19 square units. So centimeter square. Square units, no? The unit is centimeter. The unit is centimeter. Square unit, so centimeter squared. Yes, children. So I'm taking a picture of this one. Yeah. So anybody has tried this one and got the right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tanya, then. Diti, have you come so far in the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you were able to do this one correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Ovia? Satakshi has not received the homework, so no problem. What about Ovia?
Did it in the finding the area for subtracting 28 and 35, I did it wrong, ma'am. So I got the wrong answer, ma'am.
No problem, darling. Now do you understand, Ovia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're sure, no? Any questions? Any confusion? Are you getting confused with something? I'll make it clear.
Ma'am.
Okay, darling. Very good. Now, again, this shape is a square. In the third one, the shape is a square. And length is not given. Breadth is not given. Perimeter of the square is 84 meters. And the area is also not given. Area is not given. Have you completed this, Tanya?
Ma'am.
Can you read out your answer, Tanya?
Ma'am, we have to find perimeter. First, we have to find the length, ma'am.
Correct.
For that, the formula is perimeter divided by 4, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll write side is equal to perimeter divided by 4.
Divided by 3.
Because in a square, we mostly don't use the terms length and breadth. Though this is the length, this is the breadth. It's not incorrect, but normally we say side. We say side. When it's a square, we call all the 4 sides as sides. Side. So you can, but anyways, this is the length, this is the breadth. Not that only a rectangle has a length and breadth. It is not that only a rectangle has length and breadth. Even a square has length and breadth. The length and the breadth of a square are equal. That's it.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Ovia?
Ma'am, so length and breadth of a square is also known as side, ma'am.
Side, yeah, side. So you should find the side.
Found for ma'am, if we found for length, the same answer is for the breadth, ma'am.
Correct. Yes, that's what I was about to say. Yes. So side is equal to perimeter. You should not write length or breadth here. You must write side is equal to perimeter by 4. Yes, Tanya, then?
Then we have to divide 84.
No, I'll tell you one thing, Tanya. Just read out from your book. Yeah, read out. Yeah. So 84?
Divided by 4, ma'am.
Yeah, what's answer?
21 meters, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So children, now side is 21 meters. Therefore, length of the square is 21 meters because we have to fill in 2 dashes. Okay, so you have to fill the length and the breadth. So length of the square is 21 meters and breadth of the square is also 21 meters. Because we know that in a square, the length is equal to the breadth. So you must first find side. Don't write length or breadth, write side. Side is equal to perimeter by 4. So the side of the square is 21. Each side of the square is 21 meters, which means the length is 21 meters and the breadth is also 21 meters. Yes, Tanya. Next, how do we find the area of the square?
Ma'am, area of a square equals to
Yes.
side to side square 21, ma'am. The answer is 441 meters square, ma'am.
Very good. Side, what's the formula, Tanya? Area is equal to?
Area equals to area of a square equals to side into side square units.
Side into side square units. Very good. Side into side square units. Okay. So that is equal to 21 into 21. What's the product?
441 meters square, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Tanya. You got it right. Yes, children. Next one. I've shared the pictures on WhatsApp, children, so don't worry. You're not missing on anything. The fourth one, the shape. Yes,
Can I tell for fourth one?
sure. Yes. Shape is a rectangle. Length 50 millimeters. Breadth 20 millimeters. Fourth question is quite funny. They've given you most of the information and they've also given you area. I don't know why they've given you area. Let me change that question, the fourth one. Let's say we have only the breadth, children, okay? We'll just change that question. We'll say we have only the breadth. We don't have the length. Though the length is given there, so but we'll just ignore it. We'll just assume that it's a dash here. Breadth is given.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I completed this question, ma'am.
No problem. Now you can answer me. I'm giving you a different question meaning. We'll just take away the length which is given. Yes, children. Oh, sorry. It's not 200. Sorry. Yes, Sophia. Now don't read from your book. See the information on the screen and answer the question.
First we have to we first have to find the length, ma'am.
Correct.
So we have to divide semi-perimeter. So we have to multiply. We have to subtract semi-perimeter and breadth, ma'am.
Okay, very good. But do you have the semi-perimeter?
No, ma'am. We have to find the semi-perimeter, ma'am.
So what is the first step? The first step is to find the length of the semi-perimeter.
Semi-perimeter, ma'am.
Correct. Semi-perimeter is equal to?
Perimeter divided by 2, ma'am.
Very good. Then?
Ma'am, we have to write 140 divided by 2.
Okay, what is 140 by 2?
1 second, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, 70, ma'am.
70 units? What unit?
Millimeter, ma'am.
Millimeter. Very good. So now you found the semi-perimeter.
Yes,
what's the next step? What do you find next?
Ma'am, then we have to find the length, ma'am.
Correct. Yeah. So length is equal to?
Semi-perimeter minus breadth, ma'am. So
Very
70
good.
minus 20.
Very good. Yes.
50 millimeter, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Next.
Ma'am, now we have to find the area, ma'am.
Yeah.
Area is equal to length into breadth, ma'am.
Yeah, units.
Millimeter, ma'am.
No. Against
Unit
the form.
square, ma'am.
Yeah, square units. Okay.
Ma'am, so 50 into 20, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 100, ma'am.
Really?
1 second, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, it is 1000, ma'am.
Yeah. What about the units?
Millimeter, ma'am. Millimeter square, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, children. Good, Ovia.
Thank you.
Next one.
I was not done with the fourth one.
I've shared the picture. Did you understand, Deepthi, when we discussed the answer? Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So I've shared the images on WhatsApp. I've shared the images on WhatsApp. You can complete it later. Because some of us have completed the homework, so then they have to wait, for others to complete. So I thought we'll just move on. I've shared the images on WhatsApp. You can complete it later. Yeah, children, here also I will not take area. Area is given there, but we'll find area. Yeah. So Deepthi, tell me this one. First, you have to find the breadth of the figure.
Ma'am, I've actually not come this far, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just read the information given. The shape is a square. The length of the square is given to be 4 millimeters. So given this information, you will have to find the breadth of the square, perimeter of the square, and area of the square. I think you can answer it now. Yes, yeah. It's okay if you have not done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
As the shape is a square, the length and the breadth will be equal. So the breadth is also 4 millimeter.
Correct. Breadth is equal to 4 millimeters. Correct. Next, find perimeter.
To find the perimeter, we have to do 2 into L plus B.
Yeah, that's correct. You'll get the same answer, but for what is specific for a square, you'll get the same answer. See, when you use 2 into L plus B, so it'll be 2 into substitute, Deepthi.
Ma'am, 4 plus 4.
4 plus 4. So 2 into 4 plus
8.
4 is 8.
8.
2 is 16, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, 16 millimeters. So, but what is the formula to find the
Ma'am,
perimeter of
side
a
into side.
square?
Ma'am, side
4
into side.
into side. Yeah, 4 into side. So which is 4 into?
4.
Yeah. So 16 millimeters. Either ways, whichever formula you use, you'll get the same answer. But because it's a square, we'll use the specific formula, 4 into side.
Yes.
Yeah, then area is equal to?
Area is equal to L into B.
No, don't write L into B. L into B also will give you the same answer, but what is the formula specific to find the area of a square?
Side into side, ma'am.
Yeah, correct, Satakshi. Side into side. Side into side. Units?
Square millimeter.
Square units. Very good. Square units. Against the formula, you should not write millimeter or centimeter, whatever is given in the question. In general, square units. Yes. So, Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am. 4 into 4.
4 into 4. So, 16. What about the unit?
Ma'am, square millimeter.
Yeah,
Or
so millimeter squared, like this. Okay. Now, do you think it's more clear now?
Ma'am? Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I have
Yeah.
a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. One by one.
Ma'am?
Ovia first. Yes, Ovia.
Ma'am, what if we, for this question, what if we find semi-perimeter and do, ma'am? Will
How
the
will you
same
find the
answer
same?
come, ma'am?
No, perimeter is not given, no? So how will you find the semi-perimeter? Yeah. Supposing the perimeter is given and you treat the square like a rectangle and you find the semi-perimeter and find, you will get the same answer.
But I have done in the method which you gave me.
Yeah. This is the correct method. This is the method. But if suppose here the perimeter is not given, supposing perimeter is given and you find semi-perimeter and then you find the breadth using semi-perimeter minus length, you will get the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You can treat a square like a rectangle, but you cannot treat a rectangle like a square.
Okay, ma'am.
You can treat a square as a rectangle.
Yeah.
But you cannot treat a rectangle as a square. So you can answer this question. This is about a square. You can answer all the questions regarding the square, treating it like a rectangle using the formula L into B, 2 into L plus B. You will get the same answer. You can treat a square as a rectangle and use the formula L into B, 2 into L plus B, and still get the correct answer. Instead of using side into side or 4 into side, even if you use the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle and area of the rectangle, you will get the same correct answer for the square. You can treat a square as a rectangle, but not a rectangle as a square.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is about the answers to the homework I gave you the other day. Now we'll discuss the homework I gave you in the last session.
Ma'am, I have not received that fourth question picture for area
Which
and
one?
perimeter. For area and perimeter of a square and rectangle.
No, that I posted in the group only. No, I didn't send it specifically to anybody.
Okay.
That was sent in the group. So you should have received it. Let me check now if you noticed it. Deepthi, yes, you have seen it on 10th May at 7:30. Because your father receives it, probably he forgot to share it with you.
Okay.
Actually, I can. The thing is, if I include your mom's number, you will get confused with Aishwarya's message and your messages. That is why.
Yes,
Is it? Are you finding it because when your dad's away at office, are you finding it difficult to like reach the messages, Deepthi?
yes, ma'am, because he'll be in meeting, so I won't be able to
Correct.
comment.
Yeah, I know. I always thought about that. Do you have any third number? Like
Ma'am, I do,
apart from.
ma'am. As like for whenever my parents leave me and my sister alone, we have a separate phone for that.
Yeah, give me that number then. I have included your mom's number for Aishwarya. Okay. So for you, you give me a different number, that third number. So on that you will receive messages for your classes, so that there's no confusion. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So then I'll do one thing. I'll remove your dad's number and add that number. You share that with
Mom,
me later.
for now, my dad's number can be there, ma'am. I'll soon send you my other
Yeah.
number.
Fine. I can also retain your dad's number and add that number. If you want me to remove your dad's number, I'll remove it. Or if you want me to retain your dad's number and include the other number you're giving me also, I can do it. You let me know.
Yes, ma'am. I'll let you know.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, children. The answers to these questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sophia. Yeah.
You only send this photo to my mother's phone only, ma'am.
இப்ப என்ன homework பண்ணலையா? Homework பண்ணினியா இல்லையா?
Can you add this number also to the group, ma'am?
Which number, ma?
The number you sent the link, ma'am.
Oh, I'll just read out that number. Is it this number you're talking about? 701-07622. Oh, okay, fine. I'll do that, yeah. I'll include that. I'll just do it right away. 1 second. Yeah, done, Ovia. Now you will receive messages on your mom's phone and the other number you have given me. All right. So now who's completed this homework? We already discussed. Yes.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Very good. Tanya, can you tell me the, not Tanya, who's that? Satakshi. Yes, Satakshi. Did you divide the first figure like this or like this, Satakshi?
Ma'am, I divided like
Like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me. Read out from your book.
Yes, ma'am. The solution for it is the first one's length is 10. So I divide multiply.
Let me mark the rectangle. So you've called this one, is it? This is one, Satakshi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
and
ma'am.
this is 2. This is 2. Okay. Now keep answering my questions. So what is the length of region 1 for region 1 or rectangle 1? 1 second. Just a second. I'll make the table. Yes. Yes, Satakshi. Fill in the boxes. What is the length of region 1?
10, ma'am.
Okay. What is the breadth of region 1?
2, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. So actually, we normally take this 2 as the length. The horizontal thing, we normally take the horizontal thing as the length and the vertical thing as the breadth. Normally, but you can exchange it also. You can call this as the length and this is the breadth. Normally, the horizontal one, this one, horizontal one is the length. Then this vertical one is the breadth.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so, but it's okay. You're not wrong. So take this one as the length and this one is the breadth. Okay, so yeah, so you're right. Breadth is equal to, sorry, length is 2 units and or 2 centimeters and the breadth is 10 centimeters. Correct. Yeah. So what's the area?
20 centimeter square units, ma'am.
Very good. So 2 into 10. 2 into 10, 20. No, we'll not say centimeter. We'll just say centimeter squared. That's all. Centimeter squared. Yeah.
Okay,
Very good, Satakshi. Very good. Region 2.
The length is 2, ma'am. And the breadth is 10, ma'am.
Yeah, so I told you, no, we'll take the length as 10 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
And the breadth is 2 centimeters. So area will be L into B.
Yes, ma'am.
So 10 into 2, right? 20 centimeters square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's the area of the figure?
Ma'am, it is 40 centimeter square, ma'am.
Yeah, how did you get it?
I added the 20 and another 20.
Yeah, correct. Area of the figure is equal to 20 plus 20, which is 40 centimeters square. Very good, Satakshi. Well done. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely. Yes, who wants to try the second one? Yeah, this answer also I'm sharing in the group, children. So you can work it later if you have not completed.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I did the B sum, ma'am, but I kept getting the different answer for each sum, ma'am.
No problem. You can share now. We'll see. Tell me now, Tani. Yeah.
Ma'am, so first I did divided into
1 second, Tanya, I'll just share an information. So children, see, I'm sharing whatever we have discussed in today's class. All the pictures I've shared on WhatsApp with you. So don't worry if you have not written anything or if you didn't check your answer, don't worry. I've shared all the pictures. Just make sure that you understand whatever is discussed. That's all. Any questions so far, children? Are you all clear? with what we're discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. But you told that it's supposed to be done in two different ways.
Ah, right. So I have to, we'll do this, right. Thank you for reminding. Yes. So this is method 1 then. Okay, so we'll do, yeah, thanks for reminding.
Ma'am, can I tell method 2, ma'am?
Sure. For the first one, okay? Yeah.
Ma'am,
1 minute, I'll
actually,
just.
I got the right answer for method 2, ma'am.
Have you divided it like this, Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me just make the table. Okay, I'm not putting the table. I'll just write it under this. Yeah, tell me. For region 1 and region 2. What's the length, Tanya?
Ma'am, for region, length will be 2, ma'am.
Okay.
And the breadth will be 12, ma'am.
Very good. What's the area?
And the area equals to 24 centimeters square, ma'am.
You must say 2 into 12, which is 24 centimeters square. Very good. Yes. Next one.
For region 2, the length will be 2, ma'am. And the breadth will be 8, ma'am.
Yeah. So I told you, no, take the horizontal one as the length. The horizontal one is the length. The vertical one, this is the breadth. So the length we'll write 8 centimeters. 8 is the length and 2 is the breadth. So area is equal to, area is equal to?
Equals to 8 into 2, which is 16 centimeters square, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So area of the figure is equal to?
40 centimeters square, ma'am.
Very good. Is equal to, you must say 24 plus 16, which is 40 centimeters. Oh, yeah, centimeters. Very good. So nice. Children are completing homework and holidays also. Very nice. So this image is also coming on WhatsApp. Yes, children. Yeah, you wanted to share the second answer also, right, Tanya?
No, ma'am, I didn't understand it. That's
the second one, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll first discuss for this one. Okay, like this. Who wants to share this answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Satakshi, please. Have you divided it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, Satakshi. Yes. I'll just make the table.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Satakshi. Region 1. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, region 1's length is 7, ma'am.
Very good.
And the breadth is also 7, ma'am.
Okay, is it a square or a rectangle?
It is a square, ma'am.
Correct. But you can use the formula ln to be also here, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what's the area?
49 centimeters square.
No, you must say 7 into 7. That is equal to 49 centimeters square. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, next one. For region 2.
The length is 7 centimeter and the breadth is 21 centimeter, ma'am.
Very good. 1 minute. I'll just. So see, this is the length. Your dimensions are correct, Satakshi. Very good. So for the second one, second figure region, sorry, second region, children, this is the length. See, this is the length. This is the length, okay? So we know it is 7 from here to here, another 7 from here to here, and another 7 from here to here. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21 is the length of region 2. All of you agree with me? Tanya, Ovia, Deepthi.
Yes, ma'am.
And what's the breadth?
And the breadth is 7, ma'am.
Breadth is 7. Very good. Now what's the area then, Satakshi?
7 multiplied by 21, ma'am.
Okay.
It is equal to 147 centimeters square, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Region 3, length and breadth.
The length is 7, ma'am, and the breadth is also 7, ma'am.
Very good.
And the area is 49. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49 centimeters square, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. So what's the area of the figure?
The area of the figure is 245 centimeters square, ma'am.
But what should you say before that?
49 plus 147 plus 49, ma'am.
Yes, darling, you're right. So what's the answer?
245 centimeters square, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, Satakshi. The total is right, no? 49, 49 is 98, 147, 247. Yeah, 245. Correct. Yes, okay. Very good, Satakshi. Well done. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Ma'am, can I do the CSM, ma'am?
No. B should be done in an alternate method, no? Tell me that.
Yes.
Yeah, Tanya, you said you have some doubt with this one, right? You didn't get the same answer when you did different methods, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now tell me, which is that method you did and meaning where you didn't get the same answer? Ovi, I'll just come back to you. Yes, Tanya, how did you divide it like this?
I divided it into region
5 regions, huh?
5. Yes, ma'am.
Tanya, 5 regions, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that means you did this, 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 and this, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
And this way you didn't get the answer, is it, Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? 1 minute. 1 second. So region 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here, what is the length of region 1? Tanya?
Ma'am, length is equals to 7. 7, ma'am.
Breadth? Breadth?
7, ma'am.
Okay, what about for region 2?
The same, ma'am.
Yeah, do you think the length and breadth for all the 5 regions is 7 and 7? The length and breadth for all the 5 regions is 7 and 7?
Yes.
Yeah.
I did it like that one.
Correct, you're right. Yes. So,
Ma'am,
so you
so
can just do for,
ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, if we multiply 7 into 7 and that answer into 5, will the answer come, ma'am?
Yeah, that's what you should do. Yes. Length of region 1 is 7. Or you can just write like this, all the 5 regions are squares. You can just say all region 1, region 2 are all squares. Regions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are squares of side equal to 7 centimeter. So area of say region 1 is equal to side into side, side into side. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the total answer, ma'am?
Yeah, what's the answer? Tell me how will you continue this answer? I found the area of region 1. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
so because all the 5 squares have the same side, now we can multiply the 45 into 5, ma'am.
Very good. Either you can do, you can write 49 plus 49 plus 49 plus 49 plus 49. Read area of all the 5 regions, or 49 into 5. Very good. So total area or area of, 1 second, I'm not able to write here. So area of the figure is equal to, as Ovia said, 49 into 5. What is 49 into 5, Ovia?
Ma'am, 245 centimeters square, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Tanya, I think you should have been able to identify a mistake now. Why is that you didn't get 245? Addition error?
No, ma'am. Same answer, ma'am.
No, Tanya, you said you didn't get the same answer in different ways, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what. Now tell me, where should I help you?
I'm actually what you said right now, the sums you did right now, I understood it now, ma'am.
Okay.
I did the same way, ma'am.
Okay, so now you don't have any doubt, is it?
Yeah.
I think you would have written 7 into 7, 14. Did you make that mistake?
No, ma'am. Actually, I got the same answer, ma'am, as you said.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. All right, children. So in this method, we have divided the figure, the whole figure, into 5 squares. 5 squares. And all the 5 squares are identical because they have the same length and breadth. All the 5 squares. So here we divided the whole figure into 5 squares. And they are identical squares, because the side of each square is 7 centimeters. So you can just write like this. Regions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are squares of side 7 centimeters. So find the area of any one region. So area of region 1 is 49 centimeters square. So the area of the total figure will be 49 into 5. Yeah. You can do this in another way. Who wants to say that? We didn't divide it like this, right? We'll just do this orally. I think we didn't divide it like this, correct? Like this. When you divide like this is region 1, this full thing is region 2, this is region 3. So this one is a square, side 7 centimeter. This one is also a square, side 7 centimeter. And this one is a rectangle. Length is 7 and the breadth will be 21. Because it's 7 here, 7 here, and 7 here. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. Okay, over to C, answer C. Who wants to share this answer?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I tell the answer, ma'am?
So did you divide the figure like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Which is region 1? Is this region 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, for the region 1, we didn't, because there is pi in the top, ma'am. The pi should be down also, ma'am.
Correct.
Ma'am, so the length is pi and the breadth is 1, ma'am.
Very good. So area?
Ma'am, so area is equal to 5 into 1, ma'am, which is 5, ma'am. 5
Centimeters square.
centimeters, ma'am.
Very good. Centimeter square. Yeah. Region 2?
For region 2, the top is pi, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and the length is 1, ma'am.
So length is 1 and what is the breadth?
Ma'am, the breadth is 4, ma'am.
Okay, the length is 1 because this is the length. This is the length. This is 1 and this is the breadth which is 4. Correct. This is the length which is 1 and the breadth is 4. Very good. So for region 2, length is 1 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeters. What's the area?
So the area is equal to 1 into 4, ma'am, which is also 4, ma'am. 4 centimeters square, ma'am.
So area of the figure is equal to?
Ma'am, 5 plus 4, ma'am,
Yeah,
is equal to 9, ma'am. 9 centimeters square.
very good. Very good. So this is one method. Another method.
Ma'am, should I tell it, ma'am?
Let me check if anyone has the other method. Otherwise, you can continue. Yes,
Okay.
Deepti?
Ma'am, I have only not done the C1, ma'am.
You have not done the C1. C, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I think you can do it now. So let me divide it like this. So this makes it region 1, region 2, and region 3. Yes, Deepti, tell me now. What is
1 minute, ma'am.
yeah. Yeah. Yes, Deepti. For region 1, what is the length and breadth of region 1?
Ma'am, length of region 1 is 1 centimeter,
Okay. Breadth?
2 centimeters.
Okay. So normally I take the horizontal one as a length. So 2 and breadth is 1. So what's the area?
Ma'am, 2 into 1, which is 2 centimeters square.
Yeah. Region 2, length?
Ma'am, region 2's length is 1 centimeter
Correct.
and breadth is 4 centimeter.
Okay, I'll ask your friends also. See, breadth is this one. Yeah, girls, tell me, all of you. The breadth of
I
region
think it's
2.
actually 5 centimeter.
Oh, you change your answer, huh? Deepti, 5, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Deepti says the breadth of the second region is 5. All of you agree with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
because how much is this portion, children?
1 centimeter.
1. This one is 1. Yeah, I heard only Satakshi saying 1. This one is 1.
1 centimeter. Yes,
And how much is this one? Yeah, how much is this one?
4 centimeters.
4.
ma'am.
So 4 plus 1, 5. So 4
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
1, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so the area will be 4 into 1, which will be equal to 4 centimeter square.
No, no. What is the
5.
breadth of the second region?
Yes, ma'am, 5.
Okay, breadth is 5. So what is area?
Ma'am, 5 into 1 equals to 5 centimeter square.
Yeah. Yeah, third region.
Ma'am, length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter.
Area?
2 into 1 equals to 2 centimeter square.
Very good. So the area of the figure is?
Area of the figure equals to 2 plus 5 plus 2 equals to 9 centimeter square.
Very good, girls. I'm so happy. Very good. All of you have done a great job. Now comes the test. Please hold. I'll just find a question and share it with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. I have to change the network, ma'am. Can I change it, ma'am?
Yeah. Ready for the test, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have to find the area of this letter E. So we found the area of the letter L. You can see here the letter L and the letter T. So now let's find the area of the letter E.
Ma'am?
Hmm.
Ma'am, that day you said right, ma'am, for 1 chapters, 1 note. Ma'am, can we do like this, ma'am? Can we take our notebook and put color papers in after a lesson is finished?
Yeah. Yes. That was only a suggestion. Yes, you can do that. You can do that. You can just mark off different chapters like that and use the same notebook till it finishes. Yes. Excuse me, children. I know it's not very neat, but I've just managed to draw the letter E. Okay. You don't have to copy. You can copy the figure later. Like now, let's not spend time copying the figure. Or if you think if you can do it fast, then yes, you can. So this is 7 centimeters, children. The whole thing. Okay. I'm not repeating I will not repeat the information. Listen to me now. This whole thing is 7. Do you understand what is 7?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one is 4 centimeters. See, this is 4. This full thing is 4. Okay. And this is 1 centimeter. Children, you should understand that this one is symmetrical. So if this is 1, This also will be 1. You should not ask. And this also will be 1. Yes or no, children? If this
Yes,
one is 1, this also will
Yes,
be 1.
ma'am.
This also will be 1. This also will be 1 only. So it will not be given. You should understand that those portions will be 1. Then this one, children, is 2 centimeters. This portion is 2 centimeters. And this one is 3 centimeters. Yeah.
Ma'am,
So find the area of the figure. Find the area of the. You have to?
Ma'am, do we have to find the area of the figure in 2 methods or in 1 method?
No, only one method. Any one
Yes.
method. Yeah. Yes, children.
Ma'am, is it okay if we only write the answer instead of drawing the diagram?
Yeah, that's what you can draw the diagram later. We'll answer the question first.
Yes, ma'am.
But I think you need the diagram to divide it into different regions, no? I first said don't draw the diagram. Then I realized how will you divide it into rectangles and squares?
Yes, ma'am, I'll draw the diagram first.
Yeah, so I think all of you have to draw the diagram. I was wrong in saying you can draw it later. So I'll just get back, children. Give me 5 minutes. As you're trying this sum, I'll just get back.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, children. No, I went off to my kitchen. Yeah, tell me. What's your question?
Ma'am, in the first starting of the E, you put it 4 centimeter, right, ma'am?
Correct.
Ma'am?
Yes, it is 4. Yes.
And then in the second line, you put it 3, ma'am.
Yeah, it was 3. No, it is shorter than that 4, right? 4
Yes,
is from where? Yeah, no. See here. Where is 4? From here to here is 4. But 3 is from
Yes,
here to
ma'am.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
This one is 3. So obviously this is longer, so it has to be greater, no? Have you all divided the figure, children, or you've just started? Have you all divided the?
I have divided the figure.
You have, is it? Oh. Okay. Have you all done something like this? Have you divided it like this? Is it like this?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. So Satakshi and Deepthi, you've done it like this, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What about
Also-
Tanya?
Yes, ma'am. I also.
Oh, very
ma'am,
good.
I also did the same way, ma'am.
Oh, that's lovely. It's easy to share the answer then. Okay, fine. Yeah, darling. Yes. Then, is this region 1? Okay, now change that. Okay, we'll change it so that it's easy.
7 centimeter as region 1, ma'am.
This is 1. Okay, then which is 2?
Same, I have actually marked it different.
No, 1 minute. Yes, Satakshi, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I marked the regions as 7 centimeter as the first one, and 4 centimeter one as the second one, and third, fourth.
This is 2, is it? This is 3, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all done this?
Ma'am, I have actually marked it in a different way.
Okay, no problem. When I answer, okay, fine, no problem, children. If you can change it now, change it. Otherwise, no problem. You continue. We can still discuss the answer conveniently. No problem. Yeah, now start working. No, I meant continue working. Yeah.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
No, I'm done.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Yes, Ovia. What about others?
Ma'am, I completed.
Even I have completed.
Me too, ma'am.
Okay, I think Satakshi is still working. Satakshi? Satakshi, let me know once you complete, okay? Satakshi, have you finished working? Okay, I'm not able to hear you, Satakshi, so. Hello? Okay, okay. You No, you can rejoin. You can just come in by yourself. I don't have to allow you. You just tap on the link and you will enter the meeting. Okay. You can leave. Darling, that should be some issue with the Wi-Fi, ma. Because in the link, I don't put anybody in the lobby. The lobby is enabled, meaning anybody who taps on the link will directly come into the meeting. I don't have to admit anybody. Yeah, I keep it open. So you just have to, once you tap on the link, you will automatically come inside the meeting. You will not be in the lobby. So I don't have to accept anyone. Okay. Yeah. Try to join. Yeah. Bye. Yeah, region 1 children. Region 1 for me. Region 1 for me. You might have marked it differently, but the dimensions you will have, right? So tell me the dimensions. I'll ask Ovia first. Length of region 1.
Ma'am, the length of region 1 is 1 centimeter, ma'am.
Very good. Breadth.
Ma'am, 7 centimeter.
Very good. So L into B, 1 into 7, 7 centimeters square. Well done.
Yes, ma'am.
So because this full thing is 4. See, this entire thing is 4, but this one is 3. So this one should be 1. So this one should be 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Yes. Tanya, length and breadth of region 2.
Ma'am, length equals to 1, ma'am. And the breadth is equals to 3, ma'am.
Okay,
so the area will be 3 into 1, which is 3 centimeters square, ma'am.
Okay. Deepthi for 3.
Ma'am, it's 3 centimeter is the length, 1 centimeter is the breadth.
The
3
same
into
thing, is
1.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing. Okay. And for 4?
Ma'am, 4 is also the same thing.
Correct. 3 centimeters the length, 1 centimeter the breadth. So 3 into 1, 3 centimeters square. So what's the total area? What's the area of the figure, Deepti?
Ma'am, what?
What's the area of the figure?
Ma'am, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell
Equals
the
to 16
answer?
centimeter square.
16 centimeter square, ma'am.
Very good. All of you
Ma'am,
got this answer?
actually, I have marked it different, but the
Answer will be the
units and
same.
diameter are the same.
Yeah. That's okay. Yes. Meaning you've divided the shape like this. You have marked 1, 2, 3, 4 differently. That's all, right?
Yes, ma'am, only the region.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, children. All right. Now you can complete the essay. You remember, children? 1 second. I'll share this picture. Yeah. You remember, children, I had told you not to do. Second. 1 minute. I'll just take you to the portal and show you something. Yeah. So, children, have you checked this in the portal? Answer. Tanya, Ovia, Deepti.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
Stuck,
What?
ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
For all of you?
Ma'am, your voice is also stuck, ma'am, and your screen is also stuck.
Oh, really? Let me
Ma'am, for
unshare.
me, ma'am, for me, your voice is not breaking, but your screen is stuck.
Okay. Tanya?
Ma'am, your voice is not breaking, ma'am, but the screen is stuck, ma'am.
Okay. I'll unshare and share again. Okay. I've unshared now. Let me share it again. Yeah, I think it should be fine now. Check now.
Yes, ma'am, it's not stuck anymore.
Yeah. All of you can see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So now, who has checked this in the portal? Tell me. Who has already seen this in the portal?
Ma'am, which?
What do you see now on the screen?
Ma'am, all I see is the contents of mensuration. You have not clicked anything inside that.
Ma'am, I checked it, ma'am.
You are aware that I have uploaded this, right? What about Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't know that you're.
Okay, so
Excuse me,
yeah, children. So let me say this. Yeah.
ma'am, I cannot see what you're sharing. You're just in the contents.
No, I have not. Okay, I'm just first showing you how it look like when you enter. So now see, I have uploaded. This is from NCRT mensuration. That is perimeter and area. It's the same mensuration, perimeter and area. Both are the same. So this is mensuration or perimeter and area from NCRT. And in NCRT we have 3 exercises: 10.1, 2, and 3. 10.2, 10.3. Okay. I have uploaded the answers to all the questions and the exercises. Am I clear, children?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I in the 10.1, I completed till the 5th question, ma'am.
Okay. So children, see here. Can you see this here? You can maximize the screen. You don't have to continue watching like this. I'm sure all of you know it, but I just want to make sure you all know it. Can you see this one here? Switch to
Yes.
presentation mode.
Yes, ma'am.
Just tap on that. You can see it on a bigger screen. And then you can scroll down. Then you can scroll down. Are you all able to use this conveniently? Tell me that.
Yes, ma'am.
You switch to the zoom mode like or the full screen mode like this. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to finish 10.1, 10.2, and 10.3.
Yeah, this is now what we did it. What we have done in the class is from other books. So questions. So NCRT, the answers to the exercises and NCRT have worked and presented it here in the form of a PPT, PowerPoint presentation. So you can go through this. Yes, you can work them as homework. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry. You don't have to copy the question and all that if you have the textbook. Just practice the answers. Read the question.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. As homework, we're supposed to do 10.1, 10.2, and 10.3.
For practice, just for practice, like you can do it in a rough notebook also. Take a book and read the question from the screen and try to work it out.
Yes.
And check the answer with what you see on the screen. For practice, children. For practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So answers to NCRT exercises will be here. I've already uploaded and it will always be here. You can always come here and, revise. This is, a kind of a library for you. So you can always come here and revise the answers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.
Thank you.
And before we wind up, one second, children. Please hold on. Please hold on.
Yes, ma'am.